When I first heard about STEM camp, I wasn't sure what to expect, but I found that it was really fun and I enjoyed it a lot.
Gateway to Science has been a resource for our STEM students. They give them opportunities to educate and interact with the public.
The strength of the Gateway to Science is that it allows the type of learning that is now not only in vogue, but is required.
Gateway to Science approach to science education is really hands-on. It's open-ended, it's engaging.
It's perfectly suited for what's going on as we train new leaders to take us into the next century, and they've got to know these skills.
STEM camp was way more hands-on and engaging than regular school, and that's what I liked about it.
One of the really great things about Gateway to Science and the way that they present STEM activities is it really gives students an opportunity to really understand and explore the science behind our industry without having any sort of a political agenda.
Students are actively involved in solving problems, being creative, and trying to figure things out.
And this is the exact thing we offer at Gateway to Science in a hands-on application.
And to me, that's what is so valuable, is it puts that curiosity in your children.
Gateway to Science's activities are more than just engaging and fun.
They don't just go there and then they're done. They come home and they want to learn more.
What school has these kinds of resources all the time, right?
We can't have our houses full of these contraptions. There's so many cool things to do at the Gateway to Science.
People get a full experience when they come to Gateway to Science, and it doesn't matter your age. It's a great experience for everyone, and that benefits us because it helps people understand the importance of what we do, how we do it, and how it can be done safely.
One of my favorite memories is of a summer camp. They brought their campers to our campus, and our students were able to lead an activity that directly related to their research.
So the experience that kids are getting at Gateway to Science isn't just kids, it's also their parents, it's all the members of their family.
I'm a civil engineer, so of course science, technology, math, engineering is extremely important to me, and I want to provide that to my children.
Gateway to Science connects the learning directly to jobs that we have in our community, and that's invaluable.
This is the future of our state. This is the future for your children.
I want to be a civil engineer like my mom someday.
Gateway to Science is the best project you can put your extra dollars into this year. We need to do this for the future. We need to do it for our community.